Let's eat! Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today on the menu, we're going to be making some famous Tick Tock Pasta Chips. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, you have to boil your pasta. I didn't use the whole box, I just used half a box. After your pasta is finished, we're going to go ahead and pour in about a tablespoon of some olive oil, so that way our pasta does not stick when it's going in the air fryer. And be sure to use any type of seasonings you want or how much you want, but I am using onion powder, about a tablespoon of onion powder. And I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of Italian seasonings. Feel free to use as much as you would like for your tasting. Alright, we're going to go ahead and blend up these seasonings, and then we're going to move on to some 3 cheese Parmesan. I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit in, just so that it can be circulating throughout the pasta. And now we're going to move over to our air fryer. We're going to go ahead and put in our pasta. Now, depending on how large or small your air fryer is, if it's not really large, you don't want to put too much and crowd the pasta on top of each other, because then they won't evenly get crispy like chips. So if it's large, put more. If it's not, just put a little bit at a time. And we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more of that Parmesan cheese on top to get an extra crispy crunch. Alright, we're going to put our air fryer on 400 for about 10 minutes. If you open it and you feel like it's not crispy to your liking, then put it back in for a few more minutes. Alright, let's check them out. Ooh, they look nice and crispy and they smell so delicious. Yes, I am ready to try these. I serve these chips with some pasta sauce. Feel free to use any type of sauce you would like, but they taste yummy with this pasta sauce. I enjoyed it. I think this will be a big hit at your next event or even at the dinner table. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more yummy videos.